I just realized that my plug for the audio wasn't plugged in all the way, so I might have lost you guys about 15 minutes ago
traffic,
or so.
What runway is in use right now?
10.
I'll go check out the new casino that opened up in Sullivan County, not that far from Orange County, next county over. Also up here is the Monticello Motor Club. And Sullivan County also has an airport, pretty big airport.
Traffic, Sky turning crosswind 10.
So hopefully I got everything what I talked about earlier in the flight here with the audio. Like I said, just noticed it was unplugged, so I don't know. I guess I'll find out a little bit later when I start editing it. Get down a little bit lower here.
And 172 left base 10.
Just got back from a Disney cruise a couple days ago. If you have kids, I don't have any kids, but if you have kids, I recommend that cruise. Very clean ship. Went with a friend of mine, his family. Good time. As long as I can find this thing, it should be in our nose, somewhere over here. I saw the casino when it was being built. It opened a couple weeks ago. I have not seen it yet. And I think that's right ahead, with all the lights flashing on it. It's, I don't know, maybe about 5 miles to Sullivan Airport, so that's it right in front of us. I'll take a quick ride over there and check it out. We'll head back to Orange County. I'll do a little bit of a local flight tonight, nothing crazy. So here we are in Sullivan County. Monticello is just over here to our upper 11. The quick way here, 17, takes you to Catskills, jam-packed in the seasons. Nice to fly around this area because you have a lot of free range, a lot of things to look at, nice sights. And we'll fly over to Monticello Motor Club too, check that out. But straight ahead is the casino, and let you guys see it on the wing camera. I think New York they voted for 5 casinos. They can do cards and table games and slots and whatnot. And this is one of them that they built, was up here in Sullivan County. And it's open. They're gonna have a golf course, I believe eventually, and all 9 yards. We're gonna fly over it. You can probably see it right now. Camera. That's gonna come right over my right wing here. You guys can check it out. But I'm going over it right now. It's pretty big. The hotel and the whole 9 yards all in one. Right there it is. That's the whole pad right there. And off to the right of that is the golf course. It's going to be the golf course. So there it is, the whole big complex right there. Tip the wing a little bit for you. The golf course is over here to the right of that. That's that. And Monticello is right in front of us. We're over Monticello right now. The Monticello Motor Club, we'll head over there and check that out. a cool place to go to and race cars. High end. I think it's I'm not really sure exactly what it is, but I heard it's over $100,000 just to become a member. I forget what the dues are a year, but it's pretty expensive. Have guys go through $5,000, $10,000 worth of brakes on a weekend. Like nothing. So I'll be flying over that. It's getting a little dark out, so you guys probably can't see it that well. So I'll check it out a different day. Like I said, I just want to do kind of like simple flight tonight. So right now I'm starting to fly over the Monticello Motor Club right now. Coming up now on the right camera, the wing camera. Check that out, it's pretty cool. Some planes actually land on the back strip of that that long straightaway. Planes have landed on that before. But that's right underneath us right now. I'm gonna make a right turn. Pretty cool track. There's Monticello Motor Club. Okay, let's take a right turn. No traffic around us. Little local flight here. And Sullivan County Airport, it's right in front of us, about 5 miles, 8 miles away or so. So we'll head back. We'll get up to about 3.5 to get over the ridge there. I'll put a little more RPMs. Go to 24. I'll just cruising slow as much as I can to get some pictures. So I'll go 24 over 24, mail full pressure up. And then we'll just climb a little bit. Plenty of time to climb up to 3,500. And we'll fly over the casino again. Oh, the parking lot's packed. Wow. Huh. There you go. There's a casino again. Coming up underneath our wing. A little higher than last time. That's it right there. There it is. Pretty cool. So we flew over that. Little ski lodge over here. Nice night. Pretty calm. Scanning Sullivan County and Orange County, and don't hear anything. They're pretty quiet. I'm gonna just check out New York approach. Got a little bit of lights on in here. Yeah, a lot of lakes, as you guys can see, a lot of lakes in Sullivan County, all over actually. You go high enough.
510 to Hotel 121.0.
You go high enough on a perfect clear night, you can see New York City and Philadelphia lights. That's pretty cool. So hopefully you guys like my video. I've been keeping that little box up here in the right corner, so you guys can kind of see both. Any suggestions to move things around, let me know. On landing and departure, I would typically make the outside camera on the main screen, but just trying some stuff out. So I'll go back to Orange County, land, and call it night. It's going to get really hazy tonight. I think it's going to be ceiling down to 250 feet later on, obviously around, I think, 3 o'clock in the morning or something. You can see it start coming in right now. So let's pull the power back a little bit. One thing that I don't like particularly is the light situation that the Moonies have, well, this type Moonies have with these little lights that face this way and face that way. In a tube. And they get really hot, then they're not going to move around because you really can't see it. Once your eyes adjust in the night and it kind of works out, but I don't like it how it's in those tubes and they get really hot. Apparently there's LEDs that you can get for them. LEDs, I don't know too much about that. If anybody knows, drop that in the comments for me and I'll check it out. Alright. So we're back in Orange County here. We'll start flying to the airport. Which is right in front of us. How convenient is that?
Orange County Automated Advisory. Wind 190 at 7. Visibility better than 10 miles. Altimeter 3027. For runway, pilot's discretion. 3029.
3029, 4000, reach 470.
Alright. Turned on the airport lights.
Orange County traffic, Twin Cessna, 7 mile final for runway 8. The O'Hare approach, Orange County.
Middletown's nice and bright, all the lights. Alright, land light on. And Orange County traffic, Mooney 6887 November, 2 mile 45 minutes right downwind for 21 Orange County. Extend my downwind to have a twin coming in using 8. Orange County traffic, Mooney is midfield right downwind now at 21 Orange.
Orange County traffic, the Twin Cessna was on the final for runway 8. We'll now switch to the left downwind for runway 21, Orange County.
At Orange County traffic, Moody's going to send my downwind for 21 at Orange County.
The downwind on Orange County, what type aircraft?
Mooney, sir.
The Mooney, okay. Well, we're Twin Cessna, we're behind you. No factor.
Copy that, thank you. Alright, so I guess you switch, so I can kind of cut in shortly. I'll slow us down a little bit more. And what I'll do is pull up a little bit, slow us down. Gotta get to that gear speed, flap speed. Everything's out of the way. And gears coming down. So I can slow us down. That drag in. And Orange County traffic, I'm going to turn right base now for 21 Orange County. So gas, fuel pump's on, undercarriage is down and locked. Mixture is full. And let's drop 2 notches. Flaps. Trim up a little bit, likes to trim down. Nice base turn. Alright, so prop. That full forward. Gas undercarriage is locked. Mixtures full forward. Props full forward. And I got my seatbelt on. Good to go.
In Orange County traffic, Mooney 87 November, 5 mile now, final, 21, orange. Full stop.
Nice sunset in the horizon. Nice little lights in the background there. I'll lower these interior lights a little bit. There you go. Alright, fuel pump's on, undercarriage is locked. Mixtures full forward, props full forward.
Orange County traffic, Twin Cessna turning right base for runway 21 Orange County.
The Twin Cessna is right behind me. We'll keep our speed in. Got plenty of time to bleed off the speed if we had to. It is getting windy, as you see I'm cropping here a little bit. Probably can't see you because it's dark out. I'll pull the power back a little bit more, slow us down. Now we'll put full flaps in. Okay, full flaps are in, nose up a little bit. On the trim. White over red. Perfect.
Orange County traffic, Twin Cessna turning a 5 mile final for runway 21, full stop Orange County.
I'm bouncing around a little bit because it's going to get windy. Okay, slow us down a little bit more. As long as you handle the wind okay, come a little bit faster, a little bit higher, you'll have no issue landing in the wind. Fly it down. If you have obviously a big crosswind, you don't want to put flaps in, but you don't have a crosswind, it's just windy and bumpy.
In Orange County traffic, Mooney short final, 21 now, full stop, orange.
Orange County has long runways, so never have an issue. Alright, check that gear, that is locked. And pick up.
You got geese at approach 21. Twin Cessna, copy. Mooney to the Twin Cessna.
I just hit a geese on the wing.
Mooney to the Twin Cessna on final.
Hey Mooney, thanks for guiding us in. We're short final, Twin Cessna, full stop, Orange County.
All right, I just hit a geese at the approach there.
You hit geese?
Yep.
Yeah, we don't see any at this point.
It was right on the approach. About maybe 50 yards out.
I just hit a geese on the wing. I don't see any damage yet, but I'm sure there is.
We're looking. Thanks for the heads up.
No problem.
Never hit a geese before, so hopefully there's not damage on the wing, but as a pilot, have to keep flying the plane no matter what. And that's what we did here. And let other traffic know that there's animals and birds and stuff in the area, so they could avoid it. I don't see any damage on the wing, so hopefully I was going slow enough that I didn't cause any damage. We'll check that out when we get out. Okay, clean it up, flaps up. RP back in. Taxi on to the hangar, check out the...
Hey Mooney, yeah, we saw those geese right there at the end of the runway.
Yeah, I definitely nailed one in my left wing. Hopefully there's no damage.
We weren't right below them.
Yeah, I tried to avoid him last second, but it was just, I got the last one in the group, I think.
Well, they're still hanging around here for some reason. Can't scare them guys away.
Yeah, I know.
So that's that. All right, guys. I'm going to check and see if there's any damage on the wing for the geese strike. And go from there. I'll put the plane away.
And Orange County traffic, Mooney taxiing from Delta run up to runway 21. Hoping those geese are out of there.
Mooney, safe flight.
All right, strobes are off.
Mooney, we'll hold short for you there at
Plane light off.
the entrance to the runway.
All right, guys.
I see you coming out, Delta.
Thanks for flying me again.
Okay, thank you.
Please subscribe to my channel. You also follow me on Facebook at Pilot Fun 101. Any questions, leave in the comments, and talk to you guys soon.
Hey guys, welcome back. Well, this is my hangar. There's the plane, and I wanted to show you guys the geese strike. I hit one geese, and there's the blood on the top of the wing. There's the blood on the leading edge, as you can see, and also underneath, the blood goes back to the bottom of the wing. The only damage I see is just a little indent right there, but nothing against the no pitot tube damage, no damage in seams that I could see, and nothing on my flap damage, no light damage. But there you have it. So some blood, a little ding. I'm gonna see if I can get that out. Other than that, that's all we have to worry about. And like I said before when we're coming in, always fly the plane in, because you never know what could happen. Could have been a lot worse. A little tiny ding on the leading edge, and then some blood to take care of a little bit later, which I can just wipe off. It takes 5 minutes. So I have somebody check out that little ding here and see if I can get that somehow popped out. I don't think I can, but there you have it.